Hey guys, I'm Megan from my ex here, and I'm here because I'm making a video, and there's gonna be a hurricane coming Thursday. So we are trying to get ready to board up our windows. I haven't boarded up mine yet, but probably Saturday I can't make a video. Sorry guys. I meant Sunday. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, I won't be able to make any videos because the hurricane. So if any of you live in Florida, yeah, I'm a Florida boy, but if any of you live in Florida, watch out for a hurricane, build up your windows. Like my family's doing right now. I don't want any of you guys to die. Good luck. Bye.